Christmas is coming! But be reassured, the Rangers will be here.
We'll pick up your bins, but just one day later.
The Aqualife Centre will be open every day except December 23rd and Christmas Day.
The admin team will be taking a break until after the new year. Go out! Check our website for details.
Leisurelife will be closed for 2 weeks, but the library will be open with different hours.
And after a super busy year, there are no more meetings until February.
You can't be in here.
We wish you and your families a very Merry Christmas, and we look forward to seeing you in the new year.